Hi, my name is Sylvie. I am a former translator and a homeschooling mom of 7. I have been passionate about health and wellness for over a decade. In this video, I am going to review the Precision Nutrition Health Coaching Certification Program. By the end of the video, you will know exactly what to expect with this program. But first, let me share a bit about my story. When I became a mom, I started struggling with my own health issues, and I started researching health and wellness to learn how to improve my health and feel good again, and to learn how to take better care of my babies. I would read all the health books I could put my hands on. When online events became a thing, I attended health events regularly. I experimented with all the different diets you could imagine, and about 5 years ago, my interest grew to a point where I started thinking about making a career out of it. I looked into various programs I could take, but I knew it wasn't the right time yet. I kept learning and researching, and 2 years ago, I started a health and wellness blog to share what I was learning. And when I heard about the Precision Nutrition Health Coaching Certification Program, I was intrigued. Over my years of researching health and wellness, I had come upon many articles from Precision Nutrition about the various health topics I was researching. And I was always impressed by how thorough and balanced these articles were. And I learned that 70,000 health and fitness coaches have gone through the program and that it's a leading certification program in the field. So I joined the pre-sale list and waited patiently for registration to open. When you join the pre-sale list, you save 30% off the regular price. And I was excited to get started. I love that the program was all online at your own pace. Some take 3 years to finish it, and while some take less than a month. When I finally got to register, I was happy to learn that I would get immediate access to the first 3 chapters while my books got shipped to me. And here's what I received. They are 3 units divided into 20 chapters. Unit 1 is about the art of coaching. Unit 2 is about the science of nutrition. And Unit 3, the PN coaching process. You also get a workbook and a study guide. Added bonus, all these materials are shipped for free no matter where you are in the world. I didn't expect that what I would learn in a health coaching program would help with everyday life, but it did. You learn listening skills such as how to be present, observe, and understand. You learn to implement a solution and strength-focused mindset. Practice with your family members, the results are amazing. The Precision Nutrition Health Coaching Certification Program is true to its coaching philosophy, and it breaks down all the information into easy-to-understand pieces. The progression is logical and strategic. I am going to take you inside the program so you can see for yourself. But before we get started with the tour, let me answer 2 important questions. Who is this program for? The Precision Nutrition Health Coaching Program is perfect for those of you who are passionate about health and wellness and would like to start a career as a health and fitness coach. It's also a great way to add more credibility to your work if you are already in the industry. If you would like to join a network of professionals and share knowledge and resources on the science of nutrition, learn how to tailor nutrition plans based on client goals, age, and gender, the program is for you. Would I recommend the program? Absolutely. The Precision Nutrition Health Coaching Program gives you incredible value for the price. PN draws from PhD level research and methodologies, and it ensures university level learning outcome at a fraction of the cost. So there you have it. Now time to get inside the program. Okay, let's look at the back office as I promised. First, you have the tab Today, and it tells you exactly what your next step is to get to the next chapter. If you click here, it explains what the current chapter you're on is about and what your next steps are. You always have a video or an audio, whatever you prefer, it's the same thing, to summarize what the chapter was about. Once you've done that, you move on to the next step, which is usually a case study. So I enjoyed how they have case studies, and that really helps you put into practice what you are learning and imagine what it would be like if you were a coach already. Before you get to the exam, it's a good idea to fill out the questions in the workbook to give you some practice and to make sure that you have understood the concepts that were taught in the chapter. Now, let's look at the other tabs. You have the Resource Center. The Resource Center has assessment forms, which will be really useful when you start working with clients. You can hand out the forms to assess their physical health, their mental health, and many other aspects of their lives as well. There's worksheets, assessments, questionnaires. And then if you go to the course archives, you can look back at the chapters that you've done already. There's also a Facebook group. I love that there's a Facebook group because it helps you start networking and see what other coaches are asking. And you really get to interact with other students and former students that are now coaches. This group is very active, and I've been truly enjoying being part of it. You don't have to write down your answers when you go through the case studies, but if you do, they'll be recorded here and you'll find them in the learner's manual. And then there's your profile, there's tech support. If you need tech support, you can send an email. So that's about it for the back office here. It's user-friendly, easy to navigate, and I think you'll love it as much as I do.